Hey guys, this is your Techie-Bro and welcome back to a new video on the channel. In this video, I will be telling you how you can convert any speakers into wireless speakers in only 200 rupees. So let's get right into it. This is the Bluetooth audio receiver and this device converts any wired speaker into wireless. I bought this device from Amazon.in for 200 rupees and the link for the same is in the description box below. In the package you get the Bluetooth audio receiver and 3.5mm aux cable to plug in your speakers. On the front of the device it has USB port for power supply. On the back side it has 3.5mm audio jack to insert your speaker's audio cable in it. It also has inbuilt mic for hands-free calling. The range of the device is about 10 meters with transmission rate of up to 3 Mbps. So now let's set up the device and pair it with our phone to play some music wirelessly.
I'll be dreaming, 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 I'll be dreaming.
So that was a quick setup and test of the device, and I must say that the sound from it is very clear with no distortion at all. For the price, it is very useful product which removes troubles of wired connections and user can control music wirelessly while sleeping on their sofa sets. It is also small and very portable device which you can use on the go. So if you want to convert your speakers or home theater wireless, then this is the product you should buy. The link is also present in the description if you want to buy this device. So that's it in this video. Hope this will help you make your home smarter and wireless. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video, share this video with your friends, and for more interesting tech related videos, please subscribe this channel. This is Tanmay, your Techie-Bro signing off. Peace.